Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. In today's video, we're going to be opening up my September Boxycharm by Ipsy. This box has a lot of weight to it, so I'm very excited to unbox this and show you guys what I got. So if you want to see what's inside, then keep watching. So for this month, the add-ons were good. I did 3 add-ons. I did my normal box, and then for like the extra $15 or whatever it is, it's like a beauty boost. So all of that is in this box. So let's open it up. So this is the inside. As always, I have everything pulled up on my phone so I can tell you what Ipsy chose for me, what I picked, what was an add-on, and what is the beauty boost. First product is the Drunk Elephant Silk Amino Mega Moisturizing Masker, and I picked this. So I had no idea that Drunk Elephant did hair products. I thought they just really did skincare. So when I saw this, I thought this was really cool. It is a rehab and repair deep moisture mask. It has silk amino acids in it, sunflower fatty acids, and a pH of 4.3. This is a no buildup deep conditioning treatment that strengthens, smooths, and softens extra thirsty, damaged, or color processed hair. I'm really excited to try this. I've tried Drunk Elephant skincare products in the past. I like them. I think they're okay. I don't think they're worth the money or the hype. But when I saw a hair product, like I said, I was really excited to try it. I hope I don't butcher this, but this is the Amina Rose Quartz Sugar Scrub. Ipsy Boxycharm by Ipsy, whatever it's called. I always mess up the name. Did choose this for me. So this sugar scrub has sugar in it, which is gonna gently exfoliate and renew for glowing soft skin, and jojoba oil, which increases hydration and reduces redness. I love having sugar scrubs in the shower, so this is just a nice thing to keep on hand for when I do run out. Next up, we have the Fenty Skin Cookies and Clean Whipped Clay Pore Detox Face Mask, and I picked this. I actually really do like Fenty Skin products. I tried her exfoliator, so when I saw this as a pick, I just needed to get it. So I'm going to show you on my phone the other reason why I picked this. This is like, I'm a literal child, so I chose this because it looks like chocolate chip mint ice cream, and I love chocolate chip mint ice cream, so I just had to pick it. But like I said, I do really like Fenty Skin products, and I don't get very clogged pores, but I do like to use these occasionally, like once a month, say, just to really clean out my face. Next up is this Defiance Beauty Luminous Liquid Lipstick, and Ipsy chose this for me. This is in the shade Divinity. It looks like a really pretty rosy kind of color, which I really like. So let's do a little swatch. Ooh, it looks pretty on camera. Oh, it's really pretty in person. I really like this color. It's a color I will wear. The fact that it's called a luminous liquid lipstick sounds really interesting, because that means it's like a liquid lipstick formula, but it's gonna not dry down matte. So I'm really excited to give this a try. My last choice is the Dry Bar Triple Sec 3-in-1 Texturizing Finishing Spread. I've purchased this before, and I absolutely love this. It's amazing. If you do curls or just want to add a little bit of texture to your hair, this is so good. It's so lightweight. It doesn't leave like a crunchy, gross feeling on your hair. I just love it. This has the Blanc scent. I've tried the coconut one, and I'm not a coconut girl, but if you ever have the chance to try that one, get it, because it smells so good. I absolutely love this for days where I want to add like a little bit of, you know, like a little bit of oomph to my hair. The next product that we have is the Ole Henriksen Hydra Barrier Nourishing Face Oil, and this is my beauty boost. So this beauty boost retails for $58. This is going to help reinforce your skin's barrier all day and instantly replenish essential moisture. Very excited to try this. This sounds like it is going to be really good for the winter time. Next up, we have this Formula Z Glamgasm Pro Artistry Face and Eye Palette, and this is my first add-on. I kind of thought this was going to be bigger, but I feel like it was also like $3.50 or something ridiculously cheap, so I cannot complain about the size. This is a face palette, so this is your highlight. You have a crease shade, you have an inner corner, a base, transition, outer corner, smoke, and a blush. I'd probably use all of these on my eye, but the sole purpose why I wanted it was this green shade right here, which is called As If. I love green eyeshadows. I think they look so pretty on brown eyes. I feel like I say this all the time whenever I get a green, but that's stunning. And I'm filming this on a Sunday, which I never really do, but I wanted this palette to be my eyeshadow palette for the week, so I'm really excited to use it. When you see this video, this will go up the week like I'm using this, so I'll link down below all the shorts I use so you can see all the looks I create with this palette. And then for my last two add-ons, I got the Buxom Cosmetics Full On Plumping Lip Mattes. I had no idea Buxom did matte lippies. I just really know them for their lip glosses, so I got both of these. Again, they were really cheap, and I got the shade Dolly and GNL. I love the shade Dolly in the lip gloss, so I wanted to get it in a matte, so let's swatch this. Again, I think these were like also $3.50, or if it wasn't $3.50, they were in like that next little tier. So this is Dolly. I just love these like rosy mauve shades. I don't even know how to describe it. I love it. And then next is GNL, which also looks really pretty. Ooh. So this is Dolly, and then this is GNL. Both really pretty, both in the same color family, but I'm very excited to try both. And I'm just going to do the third lippy too so you can see all the shades, because they're pretty much all the same color family. So this is Defiance Beauty and Divinity. Then you have Buxom Dolly and Buxom GNL. Perfect fall colors. If you want any of them, they'll obviously be linked down below. And that was my September Boxycharm by Ipsy. I'm really happy with all of the products. Tell me your thoughts on this month's box down below. I would really love to hear your thoughts. I'm really happy with this month's box. I think it was a good hair, makeup, and skincare mixture. I'm also really liking the Beauty Boost so far as well. This is the second one. The first one was the Natasha Denona palette, which is pretty good, but I'm really excited for the Ole Henriksen product. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!